She can never have you whilst I'm still alive. Before she knows it, I am Mrs. Muffy. She can have this one for all I care. I'm going to marry Muffy. Of coming out at last. Hey, what did she do to you?
Nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Very nice. I'm enjoying it. You know, I've been meaning to ask you. Tell me about yourself.
There's nothing much about me. I'm a graduate. I studied accountancy. I'm from a family of 5. My parents and my 2 siblings. They're identical. Identical twins.
Oh. Your mother has twins?
Yes.
Oh, great. So, you're likely to have twins in the future?
That's what it said.
I like twins.
Really?
Yes, I do. Tell me about your boyfriend.
We broke up.
Why?
I can't continue to date a cheat.
Was he cheating on you?
Yes.
No.
With one girl from a rich home. And that's broke me down.
I'm sorry about that. You see, I really do care about you. And honestly, I'm not looking for a girlfriend. I'm looking for a wife. And if you agree to be my wife, I promise to treat you like a queen and make up for everything bad he did to you.
Investigate.
Just say yes, that's all. That's all you have to say.
A mistake that you regret, because nobody knows who is who is for you or against you. I don't
know why this man is always insisting on that.
Normally a man has a privilege that he likes in the home.
He doesn't like the other ones.
Is it because I allow you to oppress me? Is that not my position?
Oh! Is this all this is about? The man likes a particular chair.
Dad? Mom? You mean Murphy called you people that he has found a wife?
He said her name is Juliet.
Juliet? Did he tell you where she's from?
No, but she said she's beautiful and a wife material. And he told me in confidence that he has already proposed to her and she said yes.
I can't wait to see her.
They're actually coming over the weekend, according to him when he called. They're coming to have lunch with us.
This weekend?
So that me too can meet her.
This weekend? That means I'm not going anywhere this weekend. I'll stay right back and see my brother's wife-to-be.
Yes, that's great. Yes. And from the way he sounded, the wife must be very beautiful. Just like your mom when I first met her.
What does that mean? No, I mean, what does that mean? Does it mean I'm no longer beautiful or what?
Did I say anything like that? Come on.
Well, that's exactly what it means.
Come on, Mom.
When you were beautiful.
Hey, Mom.
And you said she's as beautiful as your mother.
Mom. Come on, Mom. You're not going to win this one. Dad never said you've lost that beauty that makes you to get attracted to him. Yes.
Well, thank God I have a son who will always stand by me. Did I say anything like that?
Dad, you know I always stand by you.
And I sense conspiracy here. You two are ganging up against me.
Come on. Hey,
No way.
Harold.
Come on.
This your mom will kill me one day. Oh. Eh?
Yes.
Out of jealousy. Okay, you are very beautiful.
Come on, Mom. Why are you talking like this? Okay, you know what? You are the most beautiful woman on the planet Earth.
Afterwards.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced with your lies and deceit. Because you want to take her place, you put her in shame and disgrace. For you, it's just a race.
What are you doing here?
Hey, you want to win this race.
I should be asking you that. So you dropped from Keke just to come and be with Murphy? Is that what you did?
Because the truth has a way of coming out at last. Hey, what did she do to you?
Oh, baby. This thing here, I never knew she's actually more shameless than I thought. She has no shame, more. No single shame at all.
How could you? You left the guy who took care of you. You literally bit the fingers that fed you. And you tried to cajole me into getting married to you. What were you thinking? What were you thinking?
Hey, you pig. Is this a cheap lie you told just to be with him?
Juliet, are you not 1 month pregnant for your fiancé? Are you not?
What is going on here?
How do you expect me to just sit by, fold my arms and watch you deceive an innocent man into marrying a girl like you?
Brenda, me, Juliet, pregnant. For who, if I may ask? Brenda, is this how cheap and useless you are? Oh my goodness.
Baby, I'm sure you don't expect this low life to own up after being exposed.
So, Brenda, you carried your stupid body back to this place to lie against me so you can lay with him. I am ashamed of you.
Brenda, what's your proposed?
You are so lucky.
You can say that again.
So you guys make love?
No, he wanted to, but I declined.
Wait. He asked you to have sex with him and you said no?
Yes, I mean, I don't have to. And because I said no, he not said that I'm not a woman of easy virtue.
You know, actually, I can't just watch only you get married. I can't.
I don't understand.
You know, maybe it's not in my luck to get married to a Yankee guy.
What are you trying to do?
Julie, I'm not even happy with you.
Why?
You got a diamond ring and you took off your necklace.
Well,
Who does that?
you can compare that chain I was wearing with this. Girl, this is diamond.
Driver, please take.
Driver,
For
give her back her money. I'm going to pay.
for both of us, eh? Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. I got you, girl.
See you back home.
Alright.
Be nice to Desmond.
Of course I will,
Be
girl.
nice to
I will.
Desmond.
I really want this right now.
Okay.
Driver safely.
So this is it. This is the reason why you came back, so you can have him. Have you gotten enough of him already? You should be ashamed of yourself. You have no heart.
Oh my goodness. Now what? Now wow for some girls, so they really are shameless.
What is she talking about?
Shift! I'm pretty sure you do not believe a thing this fool here said. Come on. You know, we have an unfinished business in the bedroom, right?
I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed to call you my friend. You've always wanted a Yankee man, right? You have him. I hope you're happy. And as for you, I thought you were classy. I thought you're different, but obviously all men are the same. I regret everything. Everything that I gave to you. My time, my love, my trust. Everything.
Why are you spitting on us?
You know what? You two were good for each other. You know what? You can as well keep your ring. Use it for... I'm out of here.
Smell out. Just carry your smelly body out.
What did she do to you? Abogini komereki. For you to treat her this way. Don't forget that one day you will pay. What did she do to you? Abogini komereki.
My son. Ikenaya. My first strength.
Yes, Dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
Murphy, good to have you home.
Thank you, Mom.
Murphy?
Mom?
Is this the Juliet you said you will come over for lunch with?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Lie. Mom? Dad? Have you forgotten her?
I've been trying to see her well, but she's been hiding her face. I don't know why.
This is Brenda, Desmond's fiancée.
I've not really met her with Desmond like that. He brought her here 1 or 2 times like that. So I don't know. Yeah, are you Brenda or Juliet? No, who are you?
Mom. She's the one I want to marry.
They are engaged to get married. Brenda, so you have plans of leaving Desmond for my brother. After everything he did for you. He sponsored your education to the level that you are today.
Hey! Brenda or Juliet, I don't know which one to call you. If you know what you have done to my son to bewitch him, lose him and let him go. Set him free!
You heard her. You are not welcome in this house. You are not welcome. You belong to Desmond.
Murphy, could you please explain to me what exactly is going on here?
Mr. Man, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. There's more. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived.
Brenda, what do you think you're doing?
Desmond, I am no longer interested in being your wife. I have moved on with a better man.
What? Why?
Too many questions at the same time. Okay. I'll be precise. Listen, I'm no longer interested.
You're saying you're walking away after everything?
I knew this was exactly what you're going to say. Listen, I am grateful for everything you did for me. But I just can't do this anymore. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? You're sorry for what? For walking away on a 7 years relationship? Brenda, we would have been married by now. Even have kids. Now you're here to tell me you're sorry. You pleaded that you wanted to go to the university. I went through thick and thin to make sure you graduated. Now you're here to tell me you're sorry. Brenda.
Like I said 1,000,000 times, I appreciate everything. But there's this guy that came back from Canada and he has asked my hand in marriage. I said, yes.
Brenda. So you want to marry Murphy, isn't it?
Yes. He's the one my heart beats for.
Brenda, you're telling me this to my face. You're telling me this to my face that after 7 years.
Like it.
After 7 years.
The one who's close to you may be the one
Jesus.
to betray you. This world now, this world now, Chai,
What?
Why are you staring at me that way?
Because you're beautiful.
Thank you.
I want to grow old with you.
Okay.
What does that mean?
I'll marry you.
Serious? You marry me?
I've always made up my mind to marry you and give you beautiful children.
Oh, come here.
Brenda. So this is true. Oh, the information I got is right, Brenda.
Desmond, what are you doing here?
You're yelling at me, Brenda.
Why won't I yell at you? Wait, after I caught you in bed, pants down with another girl, you have the audacity to show your face here?
Brenda, after everything I did for you, you are cheating on me with Murphy.
Wait, you know me?
Brenda, you won't get away with this. I promise you.
Cheat! Cheat! Go!
That guy called my name. Does he know me?
He's the Desmond I told you about.
Oh. My brother's friend.
So, what is remaining now is my ring.
Yeah, sure.
Good evening, boss.
Hey, Harold. What's up, man?
I'm good.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Bros.
Yeah.
Were you with Brenda this afternoon?
Yes, I was. Is there a problem?
Whatever you have with that girl, you need to kill it. Remember what we told you the other time you brought her to the house. She belongs to Desmond, my friend.
I don't care.
Did I hear you right? Bros.
Yeah.
Did I hear you right? You can't do this to a fellow man like you.
Why?
That guy trained her in school. and they are engaged to get married.
But she told me they've broken up and she caught him cheating on her. Yeah.
She lied. Nothing like that happened. Desmond is my friend and is planning to get married to her this festive period. And she consented to it too. Yes.
I'm going to get married to her because she's the one for me.
You can't get married to her. She belongs to Desmond.
No, she belongs to me.
No, that's not right.
Well, I believe she's old enough to make decisions for herself. Yes.
Bros, Desmond trained that woman to suit what he wants. Allow him to be with his wife.
Well, like I said, she is old enough to make decisions for herself. And at this point, she has made a choice, and that's fine. She chose me. Are you going to fight that?
Bros, what are you even doing?
Yeah, but she's made her decision and she likes me.
This is not right. It's not right. You need to kill it, please. Stop this.
Shine your eyes, shine your eyes, shine. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived. You have been deceived.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah?
And again, person won't see you. One guy.
Wants to see me?
Yes, sir.
What for?
I don't know. In the gate, he say he wants to see you.
Okay. Here. Check the oil gauge of this car.
Shine your eyes, shine your eyes, shine. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived. You have been deceived. You have been deceived. Oh,
tell him to come now. What?
Yeah, please clean the car for me. I'm coming.
You. Yes, it's me. Listen, let me tell you. I will keep having conflict with you if you do not leave my wife alone.
She's not your wife.
Something is wrong with you. Do you know that that woman is everything I have on this planet Earth? Can you just leave her alone for me?
So I was told you took care of her until she graduated from school. Listen, I'm ready to pay you back, alright? I can give you 20 million naira for you to stay away from her. I can do that.
If not that I have a good relationship with your brother, I would have descended on you right now. You know you're very stupid. Just leave her alone.
No.
Wait, you think I'm that poor? If you just mentioned 20 million, I will start dancing.
I'll marry her
You're
and
crazy.
nothing will happen.
You marry her, nothing will happen.
I'll marry her and nothing will happen. Think about the money. I can't let Brenda go. I love her so much. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. I was serious. He should name his price. I'm ready to pay anything. I'm ready to pay him off. I can't let Brenda go. She's the one for me.
This world now, wow, you don't really know who is who. You don't know who is for you or against you. Amanda Neze, the one you trust so much. Maybe.
Hi. Hey, babe. Yeah, I just stepped in. How are you? That's okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll be expecting you. Alright, bye.
Wait. You mean he came here after what he did to me?
He asked me to leave his wife.
Who's his wife? Me? I can never be his wife. I'm not his wife. Oh.
Tell me what I need to know. Did he really cheat on you?
Babe. Of course he did. Were you not there when I confronted him and he couldn't look me in the face to deny it? You are there now.
Why is he making a fuss about everything?
Well, maybe his so-called daughter of a rich man has jilted him and he wants to use his own to spoil mine.
I offered him 20 million naira. After he bragged that he paid your university fees. I mean, don't blame me. Listen, I wanted to pay him off.
Murphy.
I wanted to pay him off, but he insisted I must stay away from his wife.
Can you see the level of his madness? When did Desmond marry me? See, my love, if you doubt me, go to my father's house and figure out things yourself. I'm not his wife. Oh. I'm not his wife. Oh. I'm not.
Mr. Man, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes. Shine. There's more to it than meets the eyes. There's more. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize.
To separate us. I didn't want this marriage to see the light of the day.
I'm actually on a hot seat right now. And the truth is, I really want to get married to you because I feel you have all it takes to give me twins. I want twin babies. When I get married to you, you're going to give me twins, right?
Make love to me.
What? Make love to you?
Yes.
But we're not married.
Babe.
Huh?
It's my ovulation period. And once your semen goes inside of me and comes together with my eggs, then we're sure of conception.
I don't understand.
Like I said, I am in my ovulation. And each time I ovulate, I produce 2 eggs.
Oh, 2 eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Does that mean twins?
Exactly my point.
Oh, 2 eggs become twins?
Mm-hmm.
Is that how it works?
Yes.
Oh. So we should...
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So let's make out so that we can produce 2 eggs.
Yes. Are you not sure of yourself?
How?
Except your semen is weak or low for fertilization.
No, come on, no. I'm perfectly fine. I mean, I'm 100% okay.
And we have it. Twin boys.
Twin boys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Twin boys? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
My brother is hell-bent on marrying Brenda, even after my parents threatened not to give them their blessings.
Murphy is joking with fire. I will deal with him. He can't marry Brenda.
He even told us that he offered you 20 million naira, but you bluffed.
Yes. If he likes, let him offer me 500 million naira. I don't care. I cannot trade Brenda with anything in the world.
Are you aware that the marriage is Saturday?
Murphy, I'm going to do something terrible, honestly.
Any marriage built on bedrock of lies can never, ever stand the taste of time.
Yes, that's true. But Juliet, can you tell us what happened?
The truth is that I'm depressed. I can't even talk.
Yes, I know. Can you just tell us what transpired? Come on.
It all started the day Brenda and I were together and Murphy stopped us.
You know that Yankee guys are in town this festive season.
I know.
My eye, they chuko.
Brenda, Desmond is there. Don't forget.
Okay. What's that? What's that now?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Brenda. What are these Keke guys? What are you thinking?
Hi, ladies.
Hi.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Murphy.
My name is Brenda.
Oh, nice name. What about you?
I'm Juliet.
Oh, nice name. Can I call you Julie?
It's okay, sir.
Oh, you're beautiful, you know? You see, I'm not really into light-skinned women, but I like your curves. You look really cool. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Where you guys headed?
We're going to the salon to get our hair done.
Oh, great. Can I drop you guys off?
Sure, why not?
All right, hop in. Let's go.
Even when I was doing everything to make her comfortable and happy, she was lusting after another man.
My brother was initially interested in Juliet here. Yes. He even told my parents that he's bringing his fiancée to the house. To our greatest surprise, he brought Brenda to the house, claiming she's Juliet. What? He never knew I know Brenda very well.
So, how was she able to convince Murphy to marry her? How was she be able to win his heart?
I told you I don't want him anymore. I had no water in my mouth when I said that to you.
Brenda, you're always all over this guy before. What happened? What changed?
My love for him died. Like dead and buried. What part of English do you not understand? Huh? Juliet, tell me, what has Desmond done that no man has ever done for anybody before? What's all this about? Desmond? What has he really done?
You know exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm sure you know what you're doing.
Of course. I like the sound of that. I know what I am doing.
Okay.
So, girl, does that mean that I can come? Let me get dressed.
Which kind of wahala be this one? Don't tell me you're serious.
Of course I am dead serious. Forget Desmond. Girl, I am done. Like, your babes is done. Done for good.
Don't leave this guy heartbroken. Don't leave him messed up. This guy loves you, you know.
My sister, breakfast is for everybody. Now when you reach your turn, you chop drink water, clean mouth. Let me get dressed. Babes, is he still going to come? I mean, you can never take this guy serious, so.
He gave me his words, so he's definitely going to come.
But you've been waiting for over an hour now. Or are you going to wait indefinitely?
Brenda, it's obvious something is keeping him. Besides, I'm already waiting for him.
You're right. But it's just that we both know what these guys of nowadays are capable of doing. Who knows if he's with one girl, smooshing and making out with her and keeping you here waiting. You know, you can never trust these guys.
Let me be the one to bother myself with that.
Yeah. So where is he taking you to? His house or a 5-star restaurant or hotel?
None of that. He said he wants me to come know his place.
Wow! Yes, babe. Let me come with you now.
No, Brenda. It's a date for two. You can come with me.
But girl, see, you never can tell. Maybe one or two of these guys that came back from overseas with him might be around and might find me attractive.
You want a Yankee man? What then happens to Desmond? What about him?
Must you bring him into a conversation?
Yes, because it's important. Brenda.
Yeah, girl.
Why are you going dressed like this?
How? There's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing.
Everything is wrong with what you are wearing. Girl, your boobs is almost out.
It's just that Murphy's friends might be there. So I'm trying to dress to kill to attract the kind of man I want.
Oh, really? You're going to Murphy's house to sell a market? Huh? Brenda, please, I don't like this. I don't like this. What is your plan?
I like what I'm wearing.
I don't like it. And I'm sure Murphy won't buy this. This is so revealing now. Girl, come on. This is my date, not yours. Hope you know that.
I can still grab one or two. Hope you know that.
Girl, please now. Don't do me like this. I don't want this guy to see me like one of those cheap girls or a loose one.
Is it uncle?
I don't know. I'm good. How are you? Of course, I'm all dressed. Really? I will be out soon.
Is he?
Yes. None, I have to wait for you.
Sorry.
What was that for?
Juliet, don't just start.
The question is, why did you do that?
Babe, it's simple. I do not want this engagement ring to be bad market for me. You know the vibe now.
Oh, so you now have a product that you want to go to Murphy's house to sell? Brenda, please, I beg you in the name of God. I do not want this guy to see me like a cheap girl or one of those loose girls.
Babe, he's waiting. Let's just go have fun. Let's go.
Girlfriend, I hope you do not have any plan of snatching Murphy away from me.
My goodness. How can you say such a thing to me?
Because I don't understand this whole drama you are performing. I don't.
And I know you do not want me to follow, but I must. Let's go.
I don't trust you, and I have my eyes on you.
No problem.
Not you.
Chai, Amanda Deze, Wajebu. Hey, Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived.
Yeah. You okay? See, I want to hold you tight so we can walk into the house.
So now you're treating me like a queen.
Yes, of course.
Oh my goodness! Your house is so beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh,
you
great.
sure have a great taste.
Oh,
yes.
Thank you very much. Let's go, please. Come.
Wow.
He's showering her with lots of love already.
Yeah, come in. Are you surprised?
Obviously, I am. I mean, your place is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much. Please make yourself comfortable. I'll get you something to drink. What would you want? Sorry.
Anything soft.
Anything soft. I'll get you something soft. Make yourself comfortable, right?
Julie, are you not so lucky to have attracted such a man?
Did you say lucky?
Girl, the universe has blessed me.
Hey! God! This is something I never prayed for.
Babe, where are his friends now? One or two guys around. Let me see if I can.
Friends?
Get one person.
Are you blind? Can't you see he doesn't have any? There's no one in this house.
Yeah. Sorry, this is all I could find. This is all I could find.
It's fine. Thank you so much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Sure.
I'll be able to show you.
Julie, let's go ahead.
Sorry, kept you waiting.
No, it's okay.
Are you enjoying your drink?
Sure.
I was asking her.
Of course we are.
Can you just move up a bit?
Oh.
I'd like to sit in between. Yeah, sorry. okay? Alright. How are you?
Good.
Your skin is so flawless.
Thank you.
I love you. Don't you love me? Won't you say you love me? Won't you say you love me too? You know, let's go to the bedroom.
Why?
I'd like to show you something really, really important. Come here, let's go.
Okay.
Am I the only one that will finish all this? I mean,
Yeah, sure. You can help yourself, make yourself comfortable.
Enjoy yourself, girlfriend.
Yeah, I'll be right
well
back.
said, girl.
This world now, wow, you don't really know who is who. You don't know who is for you or against you. Amanda Neze, the one you trust so much, may be the one to hurt you, child. The one who's close to you may be the one to betray you. This world now, wow.
They've been gone for some minutes now. What could he be telling her? Oh. He's making love to her, probably. Man. He just invited her home to enjoy the woman in her.
You sure have a great taste, Murphy. I know, but she was hell-bent on coming with me. Even when I asked her to stay back, that the date is just for two, she just wouldn't listen. I did, trust me, I did, but she insisted on coming with me. I understand what you're getting at, but Brenda will not do what your mind is telling you. She only told me she wants to follow me so that, you know, maybe one of your friends might see her and like her. Really? Wow. You've already told them about me? Is she beautiful? Oh, Murphy, stop. I can't do this. I just can't. Murphy, you really have to stop this right now. Stop.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
You call me when you get home? I don't feel like letting you go, you know.
But I have to go.
You call me when you get home?
Sure, I will.
I love you.
I love you more.
Another hug. Yeah, so, you call me when you get home, right?
I will call you.
Another hug.
Now I have to go.
Yeah. Alright, take care.
You too.
Alright.
Thank you.
Call me when you get home.
I sure will.
Alright.
Babes, let's go.
Sure.
Hey, Mr. Man, shine your eyes.
Madam, I don't care. I'm saying they come in, they wear clothes.
What? You saw him naked?
No. Madam, as I reach room, I knock. He didn't say make I come in.
Wait. Which part of his body did you see?
Madam, I don't understand though.
You entered my room without knocking.
Mao, I knock. He say come in. I come in not to know. I swear. I'm not saying anything, no, not to know.
Get out.
Madam, I don't see anything, no. I just enter your room here. I know.
Get out of my sight!
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you.